Alright there YouTube, been a while since I put a video in on how to work on a car. This is a 2003 Saturn Vue V6 3.0 liter. I'm going to show y'all how to change out a cam position sensor. This piece right here, that's what I need to change out. So here we go. Tool that you're going to need is going to be a little star bit torque. It's an E12. Went ahead and got it loose so we can do this while we filming it at the same time. It's only one bolt holding it in. Once you get it, there's a little metal clip. Some of them might have it, some might not. Just take that clip off. That's the piece right there we need to change. You got a little wire harness right there. You might have to stick something in between to pop it loose. Once we get that out, there's a new one. It's a CSS 130 positioning sensor. Only thing we had to do is just go the same route that we had it in before. Go ahead and just snug tight it. We just got this car about a week ago. Every time we try to crank it up, it takes a little time for it to crank up. I had them run a code on it, and it told us it was a camshaft positioning sensor that was faulty under it. If anyone don't know what that does, if it ever goes out, you're going to be stuck. The car's not going to start like it's supposed to. Once we get that piece in, just plug it right on in. Put your little metal clip on to hold that other wire on. I had to adjust it a little bit for the new one. Here she goes. Let's crank her up and find out what it does. And it sounds like everything cranks up like it's supposed to. Thank y'all for watching this video. Stay tuned. I'm going to have some more about changing this O2 sensor out on this.